lot of project managers struggle when it comes to presenting the strategic vision to their teams. I've got a simple solution to help you create a clean and compelling visual, and I'll show you how to build this slide step by step. Feel free to change the playback speed to 1.25x. Let's start by drawing an arrow at the bottom of the slide, representing the multi-month or even multi-year vision of your project. Next, let's create a vertical line, a flag post that marks the timeline for your first milestone. Flag posts are a great visual way to communicate important checkpoints along your project's journey. This sets the foundation for your timeline. Quick tip, I've got over 200 templates designed specifically for professionals like you. Make sure to check them out in the link below. Now, let's add the title for this first milestone. Rotate the text to align with the flag post and place it neatly next to it. If you're enjoying these tips and want more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new template or tutorial. To visually highlight the milestone, use a rounded corner rectangle. Give it a border color that matches the flag post and make the fill transparent so it stands out clearly. Pro tip, for more design hacks and template ideas, join my Telegram community. Link is in the description below. Now, draw a connecting rectangle from the milestone to the flag post, maintaining a consistent color theme. In this box, add the details of the milestone so your team can easily grasp the key information at a glance. Once done, group the entire milestone. This will help us replicate the same structure later. We can now duplicate the milestone as needed for the entire vision timeline. Let's add the slide title to tie it all together. Want to change things up for the next milestone? No problem. Just ungroup the flag post and milestone elements, adjust the color and text, and you're ready to go. Finally, create a legend for your timeline to explain what each symbol or color represents. And there you have it. Your strategic vision slide is ready. If you're looking for more templates and presentation tips, make sure to explore my other videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.